let's move for next lines. But it was feared by all that one day she should have a terrible fall. The outcome was different while we were in town. She climbed a tree and couldn't come down. Means something happened that was different than what people thought. When everyone had gone to the town and Grandma was alone, she went and climbed up a tree. But after she went up, she couldn't come down. She was stuck there. Even though Grandma was an expert at climbing trees, everyone still feared that someday she might fall down. We'll see what will happen next line. After the rescue, the doctor took Granny's temperature and said, I strongly recommend a quiet week in bed. These lines says, since Grandma was stuck up in a tree, she had to be rescued. Once she came down, she was taken to a doctor who prescribed her a week of bed rest.